Hello, guy. There's Klokriecher here, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a rant on bonfire night. So today is November 4th, 2012, and I am very pissed off. So, anyway, let me explain why I'm so pissed off. So anyway, me and Klokriecher are in town, and we saw some little kids buying fireworks on the market. So we looked at them in disgust, and they came over, and they started having a go at us. So Klokriecher carried on looking at them in disgust, while I started shouting at them. I called them fat-winged piglets, and then they put a firecracker in my hat. I then took the hat off in fear of getting my hair blown off, because my hair is so very long and silky. So I then put the hat on the big fat ginger's head, and I blew it up. So then me and Klokriecher ran away from the police after we had murdered the fat ginger boy. So we ran all the way home. We opened the kitchen cupboard, and we both managed to squeeze in. We then heard the police knocking on the door 10 minutes later. We decided not to answer it. Which is why I hate bonfire night, because of all the noise pollution and the police knocking on the door. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, everybody.